Good morning, children. Next topic in your chapter is adding title, caption, and credits. There is very little difference between title and caption. Title is always given in the beginning of the selected clip or your slideshow or your movie that you are going to make. Why? Because we very well know that if I give you another example, that title of any chapter, the title of any chapter is given in the beginning only. So title will always be in the beginning of the project, and caption can be added credit can be added at the end of the entire project. So this is the basic difference between title and credits. Title will be in the beginning and credits will be at the end of the project, while as caption is like a text, and it is individual text that can be included in individual clips of your movie or slideshow that you are making. So captions can be added as text to an individual clip to provide relevant information. In between we can put the clips. To add title, first we have to select the add group. From add group there is home tab, and from home tab we have to select title button. A text will appear in the preview monitor pane, that is on the left hand side. Preview box is given there. The preview will be displayed, and type nature in the text box. Suppose if there is an example of nature, so type nature in the text box. Now customize the title using the text tool. There are text tool, various tools are given there, and you can work on this title. Various titles are there, you can go through it and you can make several changes. You can put various effects on the title which you wish to give. Same way we can add caption. The only difference is that caption will be with the clips, small text or texts. For each and every individual clip we can add caption. The method will remain same. You have to select caption option, and you can do various formatting as we have done on the title. You can give various types of effects on the caption also. Credit, as it is told that credit is will be at the end of the project, and in same way as we have set the title, or as the way we are going to set title, same way we can add credits, and we can add many more effects on the credit also. Thank you, children.